VizardM is the first professional medical respirator with replaceable 3-ply filters. Filters are made from aerospace materials to protect the respiratory system. Filter material contains bioactive particles. Filtering materials have undergone tests in laboratories and obtained international certificates. Filter VizardM can be used up to 5 days. Incada is a group of engineering companies operating in the sphere of air filtration. For more than 10 years, its experienced engineers created the VizardM. VizardM. Easy to use, easy to wash, and easy to disinfect. VizardM can be used in healthcare organizations, offices, public places, transport, and others. VizardM. Take care of yourself and your loved ones.